Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to try NordVPN for free using the official trial options that actually work. If you just want to test the speeds or explore the features before committing, this is the easiest way to do it. The simplest option is the 3-day free trial on Android. You'll need an Android phone or tablet. Open the Google Play Store, search for NordVPN, and install the app. Once it's downloaded, open it. When you launch the app for the first time, you'll see an option to start the 3-day free trial. Tap it, sign in, or create a Nord account, and the trial begins immediately. There's no charge up front. Just make sure to cancel the subscription through your Google Play settings before the 3 days are up if you don't want it to renew. It's quick and easy. If you want even more time to test everything, NordVPN also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's not a permanent free plan, but you do get full access to the premium version for an entire month, and you can request a refund if you decide it's not for you. And if you end up liking it, I've included a great deal in the description. It gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months for free, which is one of the best offers NordVPN runs all year. So that's how you can try NordVPN completely free and decide if it's the right fit for you.